for us. Thank you, and may God bless all of you.
Your Excellency, this is the day that the Lord has made. For us in the aviation industry, you have solved one of our biggest headaches. It has always been, first, our headache that the road leading to the Port Harcourt Airport, once you branch off the highway, that road had been in a deplorable condition. And we had always wanted to give that road a facelift so that those who arrive Port Harcourt, which is one of our international airports, one of our oldest international airports, they will have a good view of the city or a good impression when they are driving into the city. Well, like you know, sir, looks like Rivers State, you have more money than us. So we have been begging you to help us do it. I'm sure when we leave here, everybody, the world will see that you have done it for us. That's the first problem you have solved for us. The second problem is our dear brothers and sisters from this community. First of all, let me apologize most profusely to the members of this community for any perceived wrong we, as Federal Airport Authority and Aviation Ministry, have done to them. Any perceived neglect, we apologize. We know you are our host here. We know we should pay more attention to you. We have done some, but we can always do more. And the governor has come to our rescue. We take note of all the protests you have sent to us. I receive letters from you every time in my office. And it has always been a situation where we have always been asking ourselves, what can we do more for this community? And so when I cried to the governor responded with alacrity. I cried to him. The response of the governor, the passion he has for the people of this community is unmatched. I remember that day when they protested here. I think it was last year, sir. And I got a call from you. I said, they have blocked your airport. Oh. I called my MD fan. I said, what is happening? He said, the community here, they are protesting one thing or the other. And as we were thinking of how to solve the problem, the governor called back. On his own, without my arriving here, he had called them to the government house and has doused the tension for us. We thank you, sir, for that act of statesmanship that you displayed. And before I knew it, he started providing some of the succor for this community on our behalf. So today, we thank God that we are received here with warmth by this community. We have been received with love and friendliness. And I assure you that we will reciprocate. By the time this road is completed, we are here to flag off the bypass. We are going to open a whole new corridor here, outside that other one that leads to the airport. And in any case, you see, that is airport road, so no private development can happen there. So now what is happening is that the governor is killing 10 birds with one stone. Because first of all, it's opening up this community more. Secondly, this corridor that is open now is a whole new estate that the governor is opening for this community. More commercial activities, more, buildings with spring repair, more people will be empowered. The people of this community will be connected more, to the other parts of the state. So we just thank the governor for what he has done. But I will not conclude without warmly welcoming the latest catch we have in the APC. The latest catch. We set a trap to catch a frog. We caught an elephant. We caught an elephant in the person of Sir Similarly Fubara. Welcome to the fold of the progressive, sir. Welcome to the big family. Welcome to the largest party in Africa. I was there this morning when you received your membership card. And as a true son of the South-South, may I say that we want to thank Mr. President. I cannot live here without thanking Mr. President for all he has done for the people of River State, for all he has done for the people of the South-South. It has never been this good for the South-South. From zero, we started from zero in 2015. Now, we are 6/6 in the South-South for the ruling party. And traditionally, River State has never been in opposition. So what we had from 2015 to this time was even an aberration. Was an aberration. From time, River State has always aligned with the center for the progress and good of the people of River State. I want to thank you for your dexterity, for your bold decision, sir. I want to thank Mr. President for the bold reforms he has done that has attracted many of you, many people to the ruling party. I don't want to talk about the other party. By the time my state, I'm proud to say, sir, that my state, Delta State, started this revolution. We started this revolution. My governor started this revolution. We welcomed him, and it opened the doors, the floodgates for everybody to come into the party. For the other party, before one leg has gone, the second leg gone, one hand. But today, we reversed, the soul left. It was the soul that left the party. And there's no soul again in the other party. So thank you, sir. And I have the pleasure and privilege to then flag off this bypass for the airport road. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Good job. Hey, madam. Madam, you be. Send her back here. Hey, Ubi.
Just stand up.
No, now you're not even supposed to be.
Yeah, I see.
Bend down.
Just cut that. You ready?
Yes, sir.
To the glory of God Almighty, we dedicate this project. So, God Almighty and the people of River State, and we thank the governor for what he has done on this federal project. God bless you. Don't push it. Again, to the glory of God Almighty, I unveil this plaque, the rehabilitation of the Freeway Road to Airport Phase 2, executed by the administration of His Excellency, Sir Similarly Fubara, GSSRS, FCA, Governor of River State, and commissioned by my humble self, Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development of Nigeria, on this 12th day of December 2025. To God be the glory. God bless you. All right.